have a project share for the 3D Active for Poet 2026 collab. The goal is to use dies and kits that make 3D projects such as boxes, baskets, ornaments, and or items that move like a waterfall card, pop-up boxes, and we are posting every Wednesday in the month of June 2026 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to watch, sub, and like all of the participants, and you can play along using the hashtag 3D Active for Poet 2026. And I forgot to mention that this is hosted by Poetspice. And this is also a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. My coupon codes are Michelle15 for 15% off the website and Michelle10 for 10% off the Etsy store. And the products that I used are Mintes in my Craftroom paper collection and a Mente Woody's shadow box frame. So I will insert a picture. It comes in several pieces, and then I used my art glitter glue to put them together, and I will go ahead and show you the back. That's what it looks like. So it is like laser cut, and then you just piece it together. I did use some pink cardstock to cover the base, and then I used the Mintes Gorgeous in my Craftroom paper collection to cover it, and then I used some lace, and I had some pearls, and I used ephemera, and I fussy cut some of the items that's in the paper collection. And I did use the 12 by 12, 6 by 8, and 6 by 6 paper pads, I do believe. And I love the little pink hot glue gun. And we have a little planner there with some of the roses of the ephemera, and the little button jar and pins and those cute little scissors. And the, looks like a watercolor palette to me there. And on the inside, we have some more of the roses and this gorgeous paper of the aqua and the pink. And then we have a creative sticker here, and then I added some more trim, and I'm going to put a picture of my granddaughter here. Will be 7 next month, and she loves to craft, and she does such a good job for her age. So I'm so proud of her and glad that she likes to craft. You can see the front here with a beautiful paper. I've got the roses there, and then on the paper you can see I used the cut apart pages, and I just really liked the look of that. And I think that was from the 6 by 6. And the gorgeous patterned floral paper in the background, and then like that almost polka dot, and then the plaid's just so pretty. And on the side we have the distressed, I love the chippy pilly paint. And on this, all of the side pieces, it was the same sheet of paper, but it's just very distressed, and it looks like it's been pieced together and sewn, which I love. And then we have like polka dots and some writing and some lace. It's all tattered, you can tell there. And some more of the lace in like ledger paper. And then here we have some more of like where it's put together with the lace and torn. Just love all the texture the paper provides. Just a fun, quick project share. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.